All right. Part 2 of the $30 challenge. Today's piece of loveliness comes from SPT Suncoast Precision Tools. Suncoast, they sell mostly machinist tools and whatnot. And they got some really cool stuff. And they got some decent clearance items. And I needed a 1/4-inch set. Well, they carry Williams. And if you remember right, I liked Williams. They used to be American made. Not so much anymore. Well, that's a nice touch. Thank you for your business. Proudly assembled by Jizz. Well, I like that. That's a personal touch. I remember I ordered something from somewhere and they put an Apex bit, a little number 2 Apex bit, and it said, and it was just taped there, and it said, a little bit of gratitude or something like that. And I can't remember who did that, but it was cool. So, yeah, well, thanks, Jizz. So, 1/4-inch, 12-point, Williams, 9/16 all the way down to, 3/16. And, yeah, cheapo rack. This was under $30. Can't go wrong. Shipping, they did not charge a lot for shipping. I want to say it was like $3 or $4. So, yeah. More tools to throw into the box. And 1/4-inch set, really handy. I like them when they go up to 9/16 because you always got that crazy fastener you can't really get to. And, 1/4-inch, 9/16. All right. That's it. That's all I got to say about that. I don't know. I'm not going to say anything entertaining. The video's over. Why are you still watching? You're probably not watching. If you are, you're probably Justin Dow. And if that's the case, hey, what's up, bud? Williams, maybe I'll send you a set, Justin. Get a hold of me, down there or something, and maybe I'll buy you a set to try out. I think they actually had a lot of stuff, Williams, and they're owned by Snap-on. But obviously they're farmed out. They're farmed out to Taiwan, and that's not laser etched. That's like actually etched. Yeah. So, we'll see how they hold up. Later.